Viewers, if someone tells you that roads can be made cheaper, more durable, and environmentally friendly than tyres, then you might find it funny. But in Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore has started such a unique project that has become the centre of attention around the world. Yes, here, old, useless and thrown away tyres are laid on the ground and roads are being built on top of them, and it has become a part of a complete road network, not just an experience. The question arises, why did Ibrahim Traore have to take this strange path? Is it cheap technology? Is there any environmental wisdom behind it? These are the questions that have troubled engineers all over the world. Therefore, in this video, we will show you how this dangerous project is changing the fate of Burkina Faso and why engineers all over the world are now trying to learn from the experience of this African nation. This video is going to be very interesting, so watch this video till the end. So, friends, a country that relies on international loans, whose infrastructure was mostly old and ruined. The roads there were often flooded in the rains or torn in the summers. The roads connecting villages and cities were rough and dangerous, on which ambulances, fire brigades, and school buses would be stuck for hours. These conditions forced Ibrahim Traore to find a solution that was low cost, sustainable, and environmentally friendly. In the same backdrop, the plan to lay the roads with old rubber tyres came to light. Yes, the same tyres that become a part of the garbage after the cars have been damaged, which produce poisonous smoke by burning them, or which get stuck in the rivers and cause environmental pollution. These tyres were laid on the ground in the same order by Ibrahim. A special kind of cement mixture was applied to them, which adheres very well to the rubber and can withstand hot and cold. Experts say that this technique is not only environmentally friendly, but is also 40% less expensive than traditional roads. Not only this, these roads absorb earthquakes and rainfall better. The speciality of rubber is that it can tolerate compression and does not burst quickly. This is the reason why many small settlements of Burkina Faso are now connected to the central cities. Where it used to take 5 hours to reach earlier, now it can be reached in just 1 hour. Ibrahim Traore not only advanced this project, but also provided jobs to thousands of youngsters. From assembling rubber tyres to cleaning, arranging and roading, local labourers are involved in every step of the process. This not only reduced unemployment, but people also started to see progress in their own country. Surprisingly, some local engineers have also suggested that if sand or special plastic material is filled in the empty spaces between the tyres, their strength can increase further. And this work is also being tested. But there is one more interesting aspect here. Through this scheme, Burkina Faso has also stepped up its import. Usually the expensive bitumen, asphalt, and other materials used in road construction are imported from abroad, which puts pressure on the exchange rate. But when local and non-local materials such as old tyres are used, the burden on the country's economy is reduced. This is the same trick that Ibrahim Traore quietly played and tricked the international economic trap. The project is now being looked at by the world. Many African countries like Mali, Niger, and Chad have approved Burkina Faso so that they can study this roading model and adopt it here. Some European environmentalists have praised the project as an eco-road model. They say that if developed countries also try this model in cities with less traffic, there may be a reduction in pollution. Share it with others so that the world can see that change is not only with big powers, but it can also be the key to revolution in the hands of a true, courageous, popular leader. Do let us know in the comments below. Which of these plans did you find most effective? And if you want us to make more videos that are not only informative, but also touch your heart, then subscribe to our channel now. Press the bell icon so that every new hope, every new story reaches you first.